Today we are going to be going over cleaning your hearing devices if you have an ear mold on the end of it. In another video, you can see how to change wax traps on these devices. For general routine cleaning, you can use either a dry tissue or a microfiber towel to wipe down the whole device. You can wipe down the piece that sits behind your ear, this receiver wire, but it's really important to focus on getting that ear mold clean. Wipe down the whole ear mold with the dry tissue or microfiber towel. We also recommend audio wipes as another way of cleaning your hearing devices. Audio wipes are antibacterial wipes that are safe for every part of your device, and they're safe for your ears. They are specifically designed for cleaning hearing devices. We do not recommend using alcohol wipes when cleaning your hearing devices. To use an audio wipe, just like with the dry tissue, you can wipe down the piece that sits behind your ear, that receiver wire, and again, it's really important to focus on getting that ear mold clean. You may notice on the back of your device that there are a few holes. These are the microphone ports. To keep those clean, we may have provided you with a brush. It is important when using a brush to clean your hearing devices that it is dry. You can use this brush to gently brush off the back of the device to make sure no debris is getting down into those microphone ports. To clean your ear mold specifically, you may notice that right below the wax trap there is another hole here that goes all the way through the ear mold. That is called the vent. Every once in a while, wax can get stuck in the vent, and that can change how sounds sound to you. There are a few tools that can be used to clean vents on ear molds. With a tool like this, you can poke the end straight through from the back to the front to push any wax that may be stuck in the vent out. There is also another tool like this that has more of a brush on the end of it. You can again push this straight through that vent to make sure that all the wax comes out. If some wax is really stubborn in there, you may need to use a twisting motion as you push the brush in and then pull it straight out. And that is how to clean your hearing devices if you have ear molds on the end.